Oh, Jah hear my cry, the world need peace. The hate fi done, let the war tune cease. From every corner the people must see, under Jah light we all family. All as one, no more divide. Under Jah sun, let the love reside. The color of the skin, no matter at all. Together we rise, united we stand tall. Black, white, yellow, brown, me say we all bleed red. One human family that Jah me said spread. From the village to the city, the mountain to sea, we are one people, Jah bless unity. Shake the hand of your neighbor, look them in the eye. The love of the people make the spirit fly. Me say the past have to heal, the future begin. Together we stronger, let the joy them sing. Under Jah sun, let the love reside. The color of the skin, no matter at all. Together we rise, united we stand tall. The rhythm of the world beat in every heart, a language of love where the hatred depart. The song of the healer for the wounds we bear. For every man and woman, Jah make it clear. Hold the fire of love, let the barriers fall. We are one foundation, one heart for all. From Africa to Asia, America too. Every creed, every nation, the vibes make new. Rise up, people, hear Jah call. One family, feed it big and small. Every hand join on, every heart beat strong. Together we chant the unity song. The children them laughing, from the elders them pray. The fire of unity light every day. No borders, no fences, no walls between. A world built on love like Jah did dream. Every man a brother, every woman a queen. Under Jah light, we are one mighty team. We chant for the peace, we chant for the care. Jah bless every soul, Jah bless everywhere. All as one, no more divide. Under Jah sun, let the love reside. The color of the skin, no matter at all. Together we rise, united we stand tall. Oh, Jah bless the people, the journey begun. The world come together, the victory won. All as one, the vision stay true. Under Jah love, we build something new.